Kingly Oak by John Shannon in 50 by 70 cm squares, version 3 special treatment, now adds labradorite crystals that we have sprinkled on the green areas of the king's face. So basically this is like a king tree, and so we've got some areas on his face that's green, and that's where we've placed the labradorite crystals. Now normally for special treatments I don't recommend placing the special beads on the face, especially for realistic facial features, but because this is a mythical creature, adding the special beads on the face of Kingly Oak just magnifies the magic that this painting is trying to convey, so I think it complements it well. So sprinkle your labradorite on the green areas on the face. This is for version 3 of Kingly Oak. Together with labradorite we have also electric diamonds as well as sapphire diamonds.